Hello dear students. In continuation of series Ratna, today I will describe you about Mukta. English name of Mukta is pearl. Commonly it is known by the name Moti. Chemically it is composed of calcium carbonate. Mukta is claimed to be related with Chandragraha and hence used for wearing to please Chandragraha. As it is composed of calcium carbonate, so it is also placed in Sudha Varga. Hardness of Mukta is 3.5, so it comes under the category of soft Ratna, Mradu Ratna, and one should take extra precaution for its storage in order to prevent from scratches. Relative density is 2.65 to 2.89. Now come to the synonyms. Synonyms are Muktafal, Moktik, Moktikeya. Synonyms like Shuktich and Shoktikeya denotes its origin from Shukti. We have already discussed in introductory presentation that Mukta is of animal origin. Synonyms like Shashi Ratna, Shashi Priya are given owing to its relationship with moon. Shashi is a popular synonym of moon. History. References of Mukta are available in Srimad Bhagavad, Mahabharat, but these references are not of therapeutic use. These references are related to wearing purpose only. Now see the references available in Samhitas. Charak Samhita. In Charak Samhita, Acharya Charak has advised to wear Mukta in Grishma Ritu. It is also indicated in Dahajwar. So Mukta was well known for its Sheeta Gun. Mukta is an ingredient of Muktadi Churn used for Kas, Shwas and Hikka, and it is also an ingredient of formulation used to enhance memory and strength. In Sushrut Samhita, Acharya Sushrut has included Mukta in Parthiv Oshadhi and mentioned as Chakshushe. So, Acharya Sushrut has placed Mukta in mineral origin dravyas. In Ashtang Hriday, it is placed in Kashaya Skandh. Acharya Sharangdhar has described its Shodhan and few formulations. Acharya Bhavamishra has mentioned synonyms, therapeutic use, Shodhan and 8 yonis of Mukta. Detailed description of Mukta is available in Ras texts. Mythological origin. Pearls are supposed to have originated from the broken parts of teeth of the demon Bala. बालासुर दैत्य के टूटे हुए दांत से मुक्ता की उत्पत्ति पौराणिक मान्यताओं के अनुसार मानी गई है. It is believed that if a drop of rainwater falls inside a Shukti floating in the sea water in Swati Nakshatra, it turns into pearl of good quality. सीप में स्वाति नक्षत्र की बूंद पड़ने से मोती बनता है. How pearls are formed? We all know that pearls are formed by oysters, Shukti. These pearl oysters belong to genus Pinctada. 3 main species which have been found to produce pearls of good quality and commercial value are Pinctada maxima, Pinctada margaritifera and Pinctada fucata. Natural pearl formation. Natural pearls are formed by natural procedure without any involvement of mankind. Generally, it occurs in unpolluted water. When a small piece of food grain or sand is stuck between two shells, then as a defense mechanism, it starts covering by some hard protective layers of calcium carbonate and conchiolin. These layers are known with the name of nacre. Natural pearls are rare to find and that's why very expensive. Best type of natural pearl are Bahrain pearls obtained from Persian Gulf. In this picture, you can see the stages involved in natural pearl formation. You can see here foreign body which may be a sand particle or a parasite between shell and the mantle. Then due to defense mechanism, these nacre secreting shells of mantle start secreting calcium carbonate and conchiolin. These are the layers of calcium carbonate and conchiolin, and a result of this pearl is formed. Pearl formed by secretion around foreign body. Cultured pearls. Invented by a Chinese person named Kokichi Mikimoto in 1893. Now cultured pearls cover the 99% of pearl market. These are cultivated by two ways: cultured freshwater pearls. These freshwater pearls produced by using freshwater oysters inside the ponds, lakes and rivers. And cultured saltwater pearls. In cultured pearl process, a man-made nucleus is stuck between the two shells that work as the core for a pearl. And then the whole process described earlier in natural pearl formation, that is nacre deposition on nucleus occur, which lead to pearl formation. This man-made nucleus is generally taken from a donor oyster. You can see here in the diagram, nucleus is taken from a donor oyster, then it is stuck between two shells of recipient oyster, and then the whole process of pearl formation occurs. Climate plays an important role in pearl culture. Availability: Iran, Iraq, Japan, Sri Lanka, China, Australia, Philippines, Italy, Africa, Mexico. In India, Rameshwar and Jamnagar. China, Japan and Vietnam. You can see here in the picture, China, Japan and Vietnam are the lead producers of cultured saltwater Akoya pearls. In picture, you can see the different color shades of pearls, like range starts from white, cream rose, cream, gold, copper, brown, powder rose, blue shades, light blue, night blue, mystic black, black, light green, etc. Pearls are also of different shapes. These shapes may be of drop, round, flat, semicircle, etc. Origin. According to Ayurveda Prakash, these are the 8 yonis of Mukta. So far we discussed that Mukta is originated from Shukti, but in Ayurvedic texts 8 origins including Shukti are described, which are Shuktij, Shankhaj, Hastij, Varahaj, Phanij, obtained from snake, Matsasyaj, Darduraj, and Venuj, bass. Acceptable variety. According to Rasratna Samuchaya, 9 features that should be present in a mukta are Ahlati, pleasing; Shwet, white; Laghu, light in weight; Snigdh, smooth; Rashmivat, shining; Nirmalam, clear; Mehat, big size; Toye Prabham, looking like clear water; Vratam, round in shape. Quality check test for mukta. Pearls should be rubbed with husk of rice and then washed with salted cow's urine. If no change is observed, the pearls are considered of good quality. According to Ayurved Prakash, mukta has 4 Mahadosh, 6 Sadharan Dosh, and 3 types of chaya, that are Madhu chaya, Mishri chaya, and Shrikhand. Chaya means luster. Among these 3, Shrikhand chaya is considered best. Shodhan of mukta. References: Sharandhar Samhita, Ras Prakash Sudhakar, Ras Tarangani, Rasendra Chudamani, and Yog Ratnakar. Shodhan of mukta is done by Swedan technique. Swedan is performed in Jayanti Swaras with the help of Dolayantra for 3 hours. Maran of mukta. To prepare mukta bhasma, first step is to convert Shuddh mukta into fine powder. Then bhavna with rose water or cow's milk is given. Chakrikas are formed. These chakrikas are dried and then Sharav Samput is prepared. This Sharav Samput is subjected to Laghuput. This whole process is repeated for 3 times. So for Maran of mukta, we give the bhavna of rose water or cow's milk and we use put Laghuput. We don't need to use Gajput as mukta is soft. Then after 3 Laghuput, Shwet Bhasma of mukta is obtained. Mukta Pishti. For preparation of mukta pishti, Shuddha mukta churn is triturated with rose water for 3 days or up to that period until we obtain Snigdh Rekha Purn Pishti. Dose of mukta pishti is 1/4 Ratti to 1 Ratti and Anupan, Madhu, Ghrit and Dugdh. Pharmacological properties of mukta. Mukta is of Madhur Ras, Sheet Laghu and Snigdh Gun, Sheet Virya, Madhur Vipak, Pittahar and Kaf Pittahar, and most important karmas are Vrashya, Vrandan, Ayushya, Dahagna, Deepan, Netriya, Varnya, Hridya and Medhya. Therapeutic uses. This is the verse of Rastarangani. Moktikam vrashyam ayushyam. मोक्तिक वृश्य है, आयुष्य आयु को बढ़ाने वाला है, रसायन है, मधुरम मधुर रस है, शिशिरम परम शीत गुण वाला है, दीपनम दीपन गुण युक्त है, दहा शमनम दहा का नाश करने वाला है, नेत्रियम नेत्र के लिए हितकारी, वर्णयम च कीर्तितम कांतिवर्धक है, वर्णीय है। जीर्ण ज्वर प्रशमनम, जीर्ण ज्वर का नाश करने वाला है। त्वा अस्थि दंत विवर्धनम, अस्थि और दंत की वृद्धि में सहायक है। हृदयम, हृदय के लिए हितकारी है। मेहहरम, प्रमेह को दूर करने वाला है। मेध्यम, मेध्य गुण युक्त है। दंतोद भेद ज्वरापहम, दंतोदगम के समय होने वाले ज्वर का नाश करने वाला है। मौक्तिकम सुशिशिरम क्षयापहम, मौक्तिक शिशिर गुण से युक्त क्षया को दूर करने वाला है। श्वास कास परिकोप नाशनम, श्वास और कास के प्रकोप को दूर करने वाला है। आचार्य चरक ने मुक्तादि चूर्ण को श्वास खास और हिक्का में प्रयोग किया है। अस्थि शोष शमनम, अस्थि शोष को दूर करने वाला है, अस्थि और दंत वृद्धि को बढ़ाने वाला है। विषापहम, विष को दूर करने वाला है। देह वीर्यम बल बुद्धि वर्धनम, शरीर, बुद्धि और वीर्य के बल को बढ़ाने वाला है। Owing to these properties, Mukta Bhasma or Pishti has been indicated in Rajyakshma, Shat, Shaya due to its Brahnankar, Daha, Santap, Jwar, Jeernajwar, Kas and Shwas, Prameh, Agni Mandhya and Paktishul, Drashti Rog, Asthi Shosh and Viryashya. It is beneficial during teeth eruption and it is also indicated in Unmad, anxiety and heart palpitation. Mukta is Hridaya, so heart palpitation, anxiety इन सब की conditions में मुक्ता पिष्टी को हम prescribe करते हैं. Formulations of Mukta. Main formulations of Mukta are Muktadi Churn, Indrokt Rasayan, Basant Malti Ras, formulations used in Jeern Jwar Basant Malti Ras, Mukta Panchamrit Ras, Grahani Kapat Ras and Hem Garbh Potali Ras. This is all about Mukta. In next lecture, we will discuss about Praval. Thank you.